Hi, welcome. I'm going to go over the supplies that we're going to need for doing a decorative fabric wall piece, and I guess we'll start with the big one is a sewing machine. So I've got a small craft, it's not an industrial, it's just for home hobbies. It's actually called a hobby sewing machine. Going to need the thread that goes in the machine. I've got 4 frames that are used to stretch canvas. 2 are 19 inches and the other 2 are, I believe, 30 inches. Then I've got various fabrics. These are a lightweight cotton. I've got a staple gun, which is going to help us secure the fabric once we get it made. I've got a tape measure. I've got some puffy paint. I've got my scissors. I've got some double stick tape if I need it. And then I have an ironing board and an iron. And with all of these, also I've got, I think I mentioned the tape measure, but you can also use a ruler, a clear plastic measuring ruler. So these are supplies, and we'll end up cutting the fabric and doing some other interesting things. And you can see here that this is a piece that I made before, and this large piece behind me is a decorative wall fabric piece. It's not really a painting, it's using fabric in place of canvas and painting. So these are supplies you'll need to make one of these type of pieces.